back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about the Yeezy Boost 350 V2s in the semi-frozen yellow colorway. Now this is set to drop tomorrow, the 14th of December, and the retail price is 340 Australian dollars. Now before we get into that, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you're a Yeezy fan, and subscribe to my channel because I post 2 videos a week, so you guys don't want to miss out, and let's just get into it. So here we have the V2s in the semi-frozen yellow colorway. Now this originally dropped in November 2017 in super limited quantities, and at that time this was actually the most limited pair of V2s, and it was actually nicknamed the McChicken Yeezys because of the colorway, and I guess it kind of reminded people of the McChicken wrapper that is used to wrap the burgers. And I was actually gonna buy some McChicken burgers for today's video, but did you guys know that here in Australia that McChickens actually come in the McDonald's box, not wrapped? So I ended up going for cheeseburgers, and I think they look somewhat similar. But anyway, back to the sneakers. This will be re-releasing in much larger quantities this time around, so if you guys are interested in picking up a pair, it should be a relatively easy cop. As long as you're there during the morning of the release, you should be able to get your hands on a pair of these. And I know every time they do a Yeezy drop, people are always saying Yeezys are dead, and I feel like what they mean is Yeezy resale is dead. So if you're planning on buying for resale, you're probably not going to make a lot, but if you're really interested in copying a pair, then you know, this is really great for people who haven't had a chance to buy in the past, and is more accessible for people now. And as far as I know, every time they do a Yeezy drop here in Australia, it always sells out. So I don't know whether it's to do with the quantities we get compared to the States, but I feel like here in Australia, Yeezys are not dead because there's still plenty of people out there who still hasn't gotten their hands on a pair of Yeezys. I guess it's nice that people who actually want a pair for themselves are able to get a pair now, where it's not as intense as back in the day where it would always be raffles, so it would be like lining up for like a day or two, and now it's just there. So yeah, anyway, in terms of sizing, I personally think the V2s run small, so you can either go half a size up or 1 full size up. For me, I've gone 1 full size up. My true to size is a men's US 6, and in all my V2s I wear a men's US 7. Now if you guys are having trouble trying to figure out your Yeezy sizing, I actually done a whole video all about Yeezy sizing, so I'll list that in the description bar below so you guys can check it out, and hopefully that will help you figure it out. And yeah, with the V2 silhouette, by now we're all pretty familiar, so there's not too much to say about it. First impression wise, this kind of reminded me of the Zebra, and it just got dunked into like some fluorescent yellow dye. And to compare it to the Zebra, they've actually used the exact same knit that they've used on the prime knit upper, so you guys can tell the stripes fall exactly on the same spots. If you look at the darker portion of the knit, they've actually used a dark grey mauvey kind of color, which I guess kind of works well with the yellow. Now I know this is a really out there color, but I feel like if you style it right, it could definitely be a look. Another main difference would be the gum outsole. Now this is actually the first pair of V2s that they've done a gum outsole with, so because this released back in 2017. Prior to that, none of the V2s had the gum outsole, but we saw recently with the Sesame, this also has the gum outsole. But when you compare it side by side, you guys can see that the Sesame is a lot lighter compared to the semi-frozen yellow. And moving towards the back of the sneaker, you guys can see that it has the pull tab with the orange stitching, which I guess kind of reminds people of the McChicken or cheeseburger wrapping colorway. So yeah, that's all I have to say about these semi-frozen yellows. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this colorway, and if you guys will be copying a pair. I know a lot of people have their opinions about this colorway in particular, and I feel like if you style it right, it could definitely be a look. And again, if you guys are interested in picking up a pair, this will be releasing tomorrow, Friday the 14th of December, and it will be available at Sneakerboy first come first serve at 10 AM. So hopefully you guys manage to pick up a pair if you guys are interested. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel because I post 2 videos a week, so you guys don't want to miss out. And there are rumored dates for the V2 statics as well as the 700s. So if those are true, then I would definitely be doing a video on those, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye!
Quiet on set.
Yeah, quiet! Quiet! Hey guys! Hey! Okay, move it. Week, so you guys go to edit at onions falling everywhere.